All right, today we're gonna bring a kids kitchen assemble kit. Now this one's made of real genuine wood. All right, now out of the box it's gonna require you to assemble it. It might take about maybe an hour or so, depending on the instruction, depending on the people who are doing it. It took my kids two of them. It took them about an hour to put it together. Now out of the box, some of the screws didn't line up properly, so we ended up putting our own screws on some of the base just to give it that extra secure, especially on the top ends. All right, the screws were really small, so we ended up getting larger ones, but overall it came out real beautiful. The kids like it. Now if you guys can see this actually is a little pitcher of water, so they could play with water, and the thing, it drips down here, but I'm gonna show you guys. You could open this up and put it into a layer. All right, different layers on it. All right, so this is perfect for kids if they're gonna be having fun, playing around, enjoying themselves. They'll be able to do that. Now it does come with a little fake make-believe oven with an actual lock in here. All right, you guys can see the lock is in there, 2-tier in there for that part. There's a side basket on this side. Now there's a couple accessories that it comes with, a little pot, so you could put some grill and a couple of 2 plates in here. All right, so you can put them together. They could pretend they're playing. Noise. It has button has a lot of knob noise, so they could pretend they're playing here. So they could use this for water or make believe. So this is a perfect little kitchen for them just to begin. Like I said, the board, you could remove it, add your own things in here. The board, you can remove it and put it on the second layer, and it could react like so they could put something and just let it drip some water. They could play it indoors, outdoors, but this would be perfect for outdoors, especially summer's coming around the corner here. They could be playing with this. And like I said, has 2 tiers on the top too, also 2 tiers on the bottom, and you can see through the plastic in here. So hope you guys enjoy the video.